How to make a payment. To make a payment, select the Account Statement tab. Select the box next to the invoices you would like to pay, and select the button Pay. The same can be done in the Invoices tab. If a payment method is not on file, you must first add one. To add one, select Add a Payment Method. Select the drop-down menu, select Payment Method, and choose your desired payment method. You may use credit, checking, or savings accounts for payment. Select Next to continue. Fill out your payment method details. Select Next to save. Your new payment method will be added under the section Payment Method. Ensure your desired payment method is checked off. Under the section Payment Timing, Pay Now is the default selection, but you may also select a future date to make payment. Confirm everything on the screen is correct and select Pay to make your payment. Stay on the page until you receive a confirmation window that payment has been made. A confirmation receipt will be sent to the email address on file. Select the X button. You will be returned to the home screen.